Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring to the market this 2001 Learjet 45 located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This aircraft has had 3 U.S. owners since new, and the engines and APU are on MSP Gold. The aircraft is configured with 8 cabin seats and 1 aft-belted lavatory, plus the pilot and co-pilot seat. The interior is gorgeous with its Roomba vinyl wood spacia flooring, soft gray soft goods, and its medium-toned cherry woodwork. This Learjet 45 has a total of 6 electrical outlets. The exterior has a base color of ice blue with dark blue and light blue stripes. If you're in the market for a Learjet 45 that is reliable and well-maintained, this aircraft is for you. Contact the experts at Omni Aircraft Sales today.